This is a boat that came in, and as a sort of an afterthought to get winterized, and sort of an afterthought, he said he was taking on some water. And so we put some water in the bilge. I don't know, not a whole bunch is down there. We just put a little down there. And it's leaking out from between his transom and his transom assembly. So that's why his boat's taking on water right there. And that's the plug in, that's the water. And you can see where the plate actually has been moved, and he said he hit something, and it's obvious he did. And so what happened is that transom assembly shifted when he hit something, and it's causing it to take on water.